Write down fpsc.gov.pk in your search box and click on CSS Exams after this. Click on Apply for the exam. You will find CSS Jobs Current. Public Notice, MCQs Based Preliminary Test, MPT, for Special CSS Competitive Examination. Click on this public notice, MCQs Based Preliminary Test, MPT, for Special CSS Competitive Examination. To view or download public notice, click here. Please read it carefully before applying. The main points are MPT date, age relaxation, this special attempt ID not countable in regular CSS exams. The cut-off date as usual is December 31st, closing date for submission online application is March 14, 2023, the candidates who have already applied are not required to apply again. Candidates are advised to carefully fill the exam form and check it before final submission. To view or download rules for MPT, click here. To view or download syllabi for MPT, click here. To view or download syllabi for CSS Main Exam, click here. To view or download rules for CSS Main Exam, click here. To view or download Challen form for Special CSS CE MPT, click here. After download your Challen, you need to fill your name and CNIC only in Challen form and deposit 250 rupees as exam fee before the closing date in nearest government treasury / State Bank of Pakistan / National Bank of Pakistan, and bring original Challen form at the exam center at the time of appearing in test. FPSC suggested to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer 8 or higher for online application process. In order to avoid difficulty in applying online, candidates are advised to apply at the earliest without waiting for closing date. To apply online for Special CSS CE MPT, click here. If you are not registered, then click on New User. And new page will be opened. Note, please enter following information very carefully, especially your name, CNIC and email address, as these fields will be used in your CSS application and no change will be allowed after registration. Candidate full name as per your matric certificate. Login, minimum 4 characters. Only alphabet A, Z and numbers 0 to 9 allowed. Then password, minimum 6 characters which you can easily remember. Then confirm password. Write your email address must be valid and active. Computerized national identity card and the enter above verification code carefully and click to submit. Then your profile will be created. Now log in with your login name and password. In case you forget your password, you can reset it. Here you will find your profile. Click on Create / Update Profile. Then click on My Information or click on Edit Profile. Dear aspirants, be careful while filling this section. Write down all accurate data which is required. Note, entries marked are mandatory. Name. Father's name. Husband's name, for female married candidate. Date of birth, as per matric certificate. Domicile, mark relevant code of your domicile. District. Gender. Religion. Whether non-Muslim desires to be examined in Islamic studies or civics and ethics. Please select subject in case of non-Muslims. Marital status. Postal address. Permanent address. Email. Phone, office. Phone, residence. Mobile number. CNIC number. Age relaxation. Relaxation not claimed, within age limits. Government employee, in service. Armed forces, in service. Scheduled caste. Buddhist community. Azad Kashmir. Gilgit, Baltistan. Recognized tribes of Baluchistan. Residents of tribal areas. Disabled candidate. Disciplinary action / conviction. Then click on Update. Upload photo. You can upload a JPG, GIF, or PNG file. Maximum size of 30 kilobytes, this picture will reflect as one of the identities on your admission certificate. So, it should be your own and latest photograph. Please note that uploading irrelevant photograph may lead to disqualification of applicant. Select photo and click on Upload and Save. Then Next Education section. Use this form to list degrees. Describe one level of education at a time. Enter most recent education first, maximum 5 entries are allowed. Name of examination. Grade or division or CGPA. Click type of your result. Enter your grade or division or CGPA accordingly. Then select your medium of instruction. Board/university, examining body. School/college/university location. From date to date. Enter. Result declaration date. Note, be careful here again, read this twice or thrice and the choose. Choose R if this is qualification that makes you eligible for appearing in the examination. In case you are MBBS. Mark M, and if you have graduated from foreign university, choose F. Major Subject 1. Major Subject 2. Major Subject 3. Distinction achieved/academic awards, etc. And click on Save. On next page there is Disability section. Indicate the disability and select the help need in examination. Do you need assistance required, writer/helper or computer, for visually impaired at FPSC, Islamabad and its provincial offices only. After updating these all details again, you will be on the same page. Now again cross-check your all details, make sure they are correct and accurate, then click on Apply for CSS. And you will find this page. Competitive Examination, CSS.2023 Special CSS MPT. Again click on Apply and you will be asked about challan date, branch code, bank name. Again please make sure while deposing your fee that you have bank branch code on your challan and your challan number. After adding these all correct info, click on Apply and follow few instructions which you will be instructed through this process and your application will be submit. Note, any updates in application form are exceptional. Please be careful while submitting your application form. Thank you for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe.